Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn how to write a persuasive essay, third body paragraph. For the third body paragraph, you will need the following: a transition word or phrase, state one reason why you agree or disagree with your topic, a reason that appeals to the audience's logic, emotions, or morals. Explain your reason by using three supporting details. Include at least two examples from your sources. In this paragraph, you can make a mention of the opposing side. You can prove that the other side is wrong. You can do that by choosing one argument from the other side, then prove it wrong. Here are a few different transition words. Words that can be used to contrast two things: but, however, still, yet, although, otherwise, on the other hand, even though. Words that can be used to clarify, that is, for instance, in other words. Words that can be used to emphasize a point, again, truly, especially, for this reason, to repeat, in fact, to emphasize. Words that can be used to add information, again, another, for instance, for example, also, as well, next, and, besides, finally, moreover, along with, in addition, for example, additionally, other. Here is paragraph 3, reason 2. Like any other facility, keeping a school open requires a great deal of money. When a school changes to a year round schedule, the costs skyrocket. Keeping school open in the middle of summer requires air conditioning, and that adds significantly to the school's expenses. The usual utility bills grow because of the additional open school time. Finally, teachers must be paid for all the weeks they are working. With all these factors, the cost of keeping schools open becomes immensely high. For example, a high school in Arizona had a cost increase of $157,000 when they switched to year round schooling. Some schools may not be able to handle such expenses, and other schools that can handle these expenses could be doing better things with the money. In this example, there were two in text citations. One was from Franklin, one was from Jones. There was the reason that was mentioned at the top with three supporting details. Here's another example. More examples. One of the negative effects of smoking is that it can cause serious health problems. Smoking can increase the chance of getting lung cancer, as well as cancer of the mouth, throat, bladder, pancreas, and kidneys. Heart disease and ulcers are also related to smoking. Further, pregnant women who smoke are more likely to have premature babies than women who do not smoke. Here, there is a mention of the source at the bottom of the page. This is an example of footnotes. This is where we give credit to the author, but at the bottom of the paragraph or the page. Good example of an anecdote. My older brother got jumped by gang members one day while walking home from the bus stop. He was hospitalized for a week due to his injuries. The reason he was wearing a red shirt as part of his school uniform in an area that is controlled by a gang that wears blue. My brother knew this, but school officials didn't. If my brother had been granted the simple freedom to choose his own clothes, it would have saved him a lot of pain and suffering. An anecdote is an example from real life. Stein studied whether the early onset of Alzheimer's disease affected individuals younger than 30. His findings revealed that individuals as young as 20 were affected by the disease. Another study found similar data, showing that individuals as young as 18 displayed symptoms of the disease, even though both studies involved individuals in different hemispheres. The results were similar. Stein 2018 at the beginning of the paragraph is an example of a narrative in text citation. The author's name is in the text of the sentence. The page number is at the end of the sentence. This is a parenthetical citation with the Tang and Pierce 2014 page 231. In parentheses are the last names of the authors, year published, and page number. So you can cite in either format. I hope this video was helpful. In today's lesson, we learned how to write a persuasive essay, third body paragraph. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.